Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites so the sandbox runs reliably. First, enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI because Windows Sandbox depends on VTX or AMDV. Check Task Manager to confirm. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Programs, then turn Windows features on or off, and enable Windows Sandbox. Make sure to restart your machine so the feature installs cleanly. You should also prepare an isolated folder with the installer or files you want to test. This keeps intent clear. Now you launch and configure the environment to match your test needs. Open Windows Sandbox from start. Run as administrator if the app needs elevated actions. Once the desktop appears, copy your files into the sandbox. Drag and drop works for small items. For larger transfers, use a prepared shared folder. While inside, set up window size and use the clipboard sparingly to avoid leaking sensitive data back to the host. Remember why. These settings control isolation and usability during analysis or app testing. To finish, close the sandbox window and understand that all changes are discarded. This is the safety point of the tool, so use it for ephemeral testing. If the sandbox won't start, make sure Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform are enabled because missing components are the most common cause. Once checked, update your BIOS and virtualization drivers, and examine group policy settings that might block sandbox creation. If nothing works, reboot after changes and retry so Windows applies all platform updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.